Assalamualaikum. My name is Dr. Kashiran Malik. I'm a cosmetologist and dermatologist. You must have seen me on lots of morning shows and other channels. My request to everyone, and first of all, Ramzan Mubarak to everyone. And when Ramzan is here, we should really take care of our diet. What I would suggest that if you have your iftari and dinner together and give a break and then have a very hearty sehri, that's a very good way because like this you'll be having two meals and fasting will be good for you. And make yogurt the main ingredient of every part of your meal because that is the only way you can reduce your acidity, you can reduce your thirst and even your fulfilling desire to eat or drink something. So at this moment because Karachi is experiencing a lot of heat, the weather is really hot and we have got long fasts nowadays. So we should make yogurt our main ingredient, lassi, and avoid any cold drink or any fried stuff. A very happy Ramadan to all of you once again. Have a great Ramzan and be healthy and feel healthy. Thank you very much.